Right guys, obviously we keep evolving. Powasol is about the next step. We're going to show you our brand new product on the market, our air filter cleaner. It's been out for a long time as our solvent-based degreaser. Obviously some people got a little bit confused, so we decided to change the labeling now and have officially made it air filter cleaner. Sean Joffe, well known, name of its own, it's a brand all by itself here at RBS Yamaha. Sean works on thousands of bikes and he swears by our air filter cleaner. Right Sean?
Yeah. No.
100%. So we're going to show you today just how this product works. Very simple. You don't have to saturate your air filter. All you need to do is pour about 1 liter of product in a tub, just like this. The nice thing is it's reusable, so you don't need to go and dump it every single time you use it. You just take your, for this time, an FX air filter, submerge it, and make sure you get it nicely soaked in the air filter cleaner. Turn it over, soak it up. Don't be scared, it won't hurt your hands, Cynthia. Right, so there we go. I'll whip it out, I'll give it a bit of a squeeze. Have a look at it again, I'll give it a nice rub, feel if there's any sort of air filter oil left on it, because obviously some air filter oils are quite dense and you want to make sure that that slippery air filter oil is off. Go in again. Yeah, I'm quite satisfied now that we've got all that oil off it. Give it a light squeeze. The important thing to know about cleaning air filters is try and stay away from using petrol. Besides for petrol drying out the foam and making the filter quite brittle, it also starts to destroy the glue in the air filter, which then again makes it split and then obviously allows the dust and the air to come in. And what does that do, Sean?
Destroys the motor. Eh?
Destroys the motor. And then what happens? You spend big money. Alright, let's go and rinse this with water. Right, so now all I'm going to do is submerge it in water and get as much of the cleaner off the air filter as possible. This is how you test to see if it's a good air filter cleaner or not. The water starts to turn white, it emulsifies, and it shows you that it's a high quality product. There's no need to use washing powder or bike wash or whatever afterwards. All you need to do is rinse it with water. And that's all she wrote. The nice thing about our product as well is it leaves a nice sort of sheen behind, leaving the air filter moist, so when it dries it's sort of lubricated already, but sometimes, let's face it, we run out of filter oil. You can bang it back in and off you go riding again. Nice and safe. Shout out to RBS Yamaha for letting us do this demonstration, and Sean Joffe and his crew.